Today at Mullin Machinery we have a Victa 3 horsepower electronic variable speed milling machine. Came out of a college. The lighting in here doesn't help, but there's the digital readout. We have sunlight shining on it right now, which makes it a little hard to read the letters, but I meant the numbers, but you can see the count is working. Is your electronic variable speed, power drawbar, R8 spindle. The table's real nice, no marks in the table. The knee is fine, no marks in the knee. Power feed in and out on the X, power feed on the Y. This is an inverter drive machine, so you just turn the little dial for your speed. And bear with me, I'm by myself, so we're using a stand so I don't get as good a video as if my brother was here walking around with it, but there's the spindle running. Table feed, rapid traverse on the speed. There's rapid, slow it down. So we can go in and out of the table, slow it down, speed it up. Coming out. Okay, we'll just up the speed. It shows it around 4,000 RPM, 4,500 RPM. Head's nice and quiet. There's also a back gear on this machine. Let's see, we'll put the feed on. There's your down feed. Spindle's feeding down. The catch is not clicking in. I'm sure it's just gummed up. A little adjustment there, but the down feed works. I have the quill handle off at the moment, but we'll put a quill handle on it. Let's put it in back gear. How does this go? Better put it in the stand. Now it's in back gear. Real slow. Vibrates probably the top cover. Full vibration and a real low speed. High speed. So there you have it. All original paint. It's not been touched up on. Just a basic inverter drive. So there's not a whole lot in the panel. Just one breaker and an inverter. We have 2 more of these machines we'll be getting up on the website next. But check this machine out and more at mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.